to Blockchain Freedom. Welcome back. There might be a bit of background noise, but let's keep going. So for brand new people, I love coming to coinmarketcap.com because here you can actually see the markets. You can see Bitcoin is number one. You got Ethereum in second place. Tether is a stable coin. It's good to send money using Tether because it stays at $1. So I love coming to CoinMarketCap. You can see the whole snapshot of the market. You can see the prices, what's going up, what's going down. And also you can at the bottom left, you can see how many cryptos are in circulation. It's a lot, right? 26 million. A lot of them are rubbish, but it just shows you how big this area is growing. Exchanges, 888, where you can buy crypto. Market cap's quite big, $3.69 trillion. Today's volume in trading volume is 117 billion. Yes, with a B. So, people who firstly get introduced to crypto or blockchain, they're quite scared. They don't know where to go to. Well, come in and go to CoinMarketCap. Have a look here. Get your confidence. You can click on Bitcoin and today's price, $109. And click on all-time chart here at the top right. And actually go and have a look at the history of Bitcoin. And actually you can go down 5 years back. And then imagine if your dollar cost averaged 5 years ago into Bitcoin with £100 a month, right? And you did that for 5 years. Okay, how powerful that could be. And you can do that through many platforms. You can do that through Revolut, Kraken here in the UK. And if you're in a different country, all you need to do is just Google or ask ChatGPT, where can I buy crypto in a responsible way? And you'll find places where you can do that. And you can do dollar cost averaging, where you can buy a little bit each month for 3 to 5 years and dollar cost average. So that is very powerful. And you can have a look at the top 10 coins, and you can pick two and dollar cost average into those. And then you could also look at one of my projects that I'm promoting, which is called APTM. And here you can see the current price is 58 cents, a bargain, right? So I'm encouraging people to dollar cost average into this coin. I'm encouraging people to come and have a look. You can see we already got a profile score of 83%, pretty impressive. We've got a community sentiment score of 82%. We are already ranked 609 out of 9,355 active cryptocurrencies, which is pretty impressive. And I mean, if you think about it, where is blockchain going, right? What mass adoption does blockchain have at the moment, cryptocurrency? Not much. I think maybe 8%. And imagine where this is going to be in 5-10 years' time. So this project, the APTM, why am I bullish about it? Well, put it in your high-risk portfolio, absolutely. Don't invest money you cannot afford to lose, but have a look at it and gather as many of these tokens as you can, right? As I said, put in your high-risk portfolio, but gather as many of these tokens as you can. And how can you do that? Easily. Create yourself an account with DAO1. I'll leave some links below in my description, and grab one of our products, right? Yes, the products change because we are on a promotion Cyber Black Week at the moment. It is, what is it? It's the 31st of October 2025. Various promotions come and go, but come and have a look. Come and look at, create an account in DAO1 and come and have a look at the current promotions, what's happening. It's very exciting. Give you an example why it's exciting, because you can actually get a trading bot that buys low, sells high, accumulates a APTM, dollar cost averaging. Mining bot mines the token, again, dollar cost averaging into the coin. And there's something else which is super powerful, is liquidity pools. Okay, it's a DEX, which is a decentralized exchange that is basically owned by the community. You can take money in and out anytime that you want, and the community puts money into this liquidity pool. Super powerful. Why not you become the bank, right? And then you get the fees. You actually get paid the fees in transactions in and out this liquidity pool. It's absolutely phenomenal. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to actually give you a live example of this liquidity pool. I have to stop my video because it doesn't like me doing this when I do my video. So all I'm doing is I'm going to go to apps and I'm going to click on the DEX. And here I'm going to show you how easy it is to add into the liquidity. So first of all, I'm going to swap some of my USDT for a APTM. So I'm going to swap, say, $10, so $8 worth, half what I've got. And I'm going to swap it into the APTM coin. First, I'm dollar cost averaging, right? I want to get more and more of these APTM tokens. So I'm actually going to get 13 of them, which is pretty cool. So I'm going to swap it. I'm going to confirm swap. And then I've just got something called a keystone security device on my MetaMask to give myself just an extra layer of security. So I just have to agree to this transaction. And give me 1 sec. And that's gone through. So all I've done is I've swapped USDT for the APTM token. And now I'm actually going to put some USDT and a APTM into a liquidity pool. Okay. And also I wanted to show you, which is really cool. If I go pools, and let's go tokens, right? And then I'm going to show you the interest rates at the moment, the current interest rates. So I can click on wrapped because this is the one I'm going to look at the pair, APTM and USDT. It's a pair. So you've got to put a little bit of APTM and a little bit of wrapped USDT in as well. So look at that. So the current interest rate is 17% per annum. That is super cool, right? And if you look at, if I go click on pools, look at this. Liquidity providers earn 0.3% fee on all trades proportional to their share of the pool. Fees are added to the pool, accrue in real time, and can be claimed by withdrawing your liquidity. This is so powerful, right? So I'm going to do that. So I'm going to add liquidity. And I'm going to put in, say, 15 APTM coins, and I'm going to select wrapped. And do I have enough? Nope. So I'm going to do 14. And now I've got enough because you can see my balance there. How cool is that? Okay? So I'm going to supply. I'm going to just take a screenshot of this because we do have an accountability group where we share us adding to the liquidity pool every day. And you can think of it as a cappuccino effect today. I know I've added more, but some people add less and then they do it every day like a cappuccino, like add 2 APTM and add 2 wrapped. So that's 4 in total. So I'm going to supply. I'm going to use my confirm supply. I'm going to use my keystone device just to authorize this transaction, confirm. And this is how easy it is to add to a liquidity pool. Decentralized finance, it's called. You could always ask ChatGPT a bit more information on decentralized finance. There's no middlemen. You're in control 24/7. You can take your money out whenever you want. You are the bank. Epic. So just recap. So I've added to the liquidity pool. You can go tokens. Click on it. Go tokens. You can go, this is the pair I added. I just want to show you the interest rate again, because it does fluctuate depending on the transactions, right? So I've seen it as high as 100%. I've seen it low as 6%, but on average between 20 and 30%. So what is the moral of the story? Dollar cost average into this token. You can always scroll down and read a bit more about the APTM down here. So what you want to do is grab a product. Okay, just be mindful of the promotions because this one does end on the 4th of November 2025, but there will be more promotions. Get yourself a DAO1 account. I'll leave links below. And dollar cost average. Add to the liquidity pool. Get the current products that are on offer and dollar cost average into this project. All the best. I hope you found that useful. Have a great weekend, everybody, and we'll be back tomorrow for episode 56.